Hey there, curious minds! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of directory fuzzing in ethical hacking. If you're looking to sharpen your offensive security skills, this is a must-know technique. So, what exactly is directory fuzzing? In simple terms, directory fuzzing is a technique used to discover hidden directories and files on a web server. Think of it as knocking on every door in a neighborhood to see which one's open. But remember, always have explicit permission before trying this on any network. Now, let's break down how it works. Directory fuzzing involves sending a series of HTTP requests to a web server with different directory names. Tools like dirbuster, gobuster, and wfuzz are your best friends here. These tools use word lists, essentially lists of potential directory names, to automate the process. They try each name in the list and report back which ones lead to valid directories or files. Why is this important? Well, discovering hidden directories can reveal sensitive information, admin panels, or even backup files that could be exploited. It's a critical step in reconnaissance for any penetration test. Let's get practical. First, choose your tool. Let's go with GoBuster, a popular and efficient choice. Fire up your terminal and type the following commands, including a URL flag, a URL, and the word list flag and word list that you want to use. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. You'll see GoBuster quickly sifting through the word list, reporting found directories. If you spot something interesting like configurations or robots.txt, take note. But remember, finding a directory is just the beginning. Always follow up with further investigation and ensure ethical guidelines are met. Best practices? Update your word lists regularly. New directories and file names emerge constantly. Also, be aware of the server's response codes. A means you've hit the jackpot, while might indicate a restricted area worth probing further. That's a wrap for today. Directory fuzzing is a powerful tool in your ethical hacking arsenal. Stay curious, stay ethical, and happy hacking. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of ethical hacking.